What's up everybody, Brian with the SoCo Customs YouTube channel. You know the drill. Thumbs up, subscribe, and make sure that we can keep doing this stuff. We appreciate you guys. So there has been a big push in the industry for true directional wheels. A lot of times they'll send both sides of wheels that look exactly like this. You're going to have one side that swoops and one side that scoops, and truck builders have decided that they did not want that. So what we've got here is true directional. So you're going to get a different set of wheels. You'll get two for the left and two for the right side. Notice how these swoop out in the opposite direction. So if you want your wheels to swoop, this will be passenger, this will be driver. But if you're one of those weirdos that wants them to scoop and make it look like they're digging into the pavement, you'll switch that up. These are the polished chrome right here. They're going on a 2012 GMC Sierra with that pearl tri-coat. So we think that that's going to look really dope. But there are a lot of different options. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through the Tuff A.T line. They just released 4 new wheels for 2020, and we think you guys are going to like them. So in my opinion, each one of these wheels have a chance to steal the show at SEMA come November. These are going to be dope wheels for any build out there if you're going with these oversized wheels. So the first one is the T1B. Now this one kind of reminds me of the TSW ailerons for you car folks, but this will add quite a bit of lip to those. They come in a 22 by 12 all the way up to a 26 by 14. A lot of those oversized wheels with aggressive fitment, your -72s on the 14 wides, they got you covered for those. Those will come in a blackened machine as well. I think those are dope, and if you want to be among the first to get this sort of extreme look on your truck, order now because these are going to grow in popularity for a lot of those SEMA builds. And you want to be in the know, you want people messaging you and sharing stuff on Instagram, and you can be like, oh, that's old news. The second one is the T2B. It's going to be a simple 8-spoke, which will look really good with any 8 lugs. It's going to have the swoop on both sides, true directional. People are going to get real excited about that if you're trying to paint your calipers, make sure that people can see in there. So the T3B is not a directional, but it's still awesome. So it looks a little bit like sort of an open face Black Rhino shrapnel. So it doesn't really have a whole lot going on. The Black Rhino shrapnel is busy. This is a little bit cleaner with sort of like the teardrop, I guess, cat eye look going out to a big lift wheel. The nice thing about this one is it does come in a 20 by 12. So if you're not looking for the full SEMA build, you're looking to get more of a normal sizing on that, they've got you covered, and these will be very popular. This wheel is the one that I think is going to be the most popular in this line, is the T4B, and I think that this is a direct shot at the TIS 544. They do come in the black and milled, they come in a red and milled, and they come in a polished aluminum. So whatever the theme of your build you are going for, they've got you covered on that. You can see it's a little bit busy. It does come in a true directional, and I'm really excited about that. Alright guys, that concludes our video. If you want to pick up any of these, go ahead and give us a call, send us a message, and we'll get you hooked up. You can be among some of the first to get these wheels. Give this video a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, and we're excited to see you guys see these running on your trucks.